Chocolate Eclairs. A dessert from France. Serves 4. You will need 21 ingredients. Step 1. To make the pastry dough, combine the flour, salt and sugar in a bowl, set aside. Step 2. In a thick-bottomed pot, melt the butter in the water until boiling. Step 3. Take off the stove and add the flour combination. Return to the heat and beat quickly until it is a shiny paste that balls together. Step 4. Let the dough cool for a few minutes, then add the eggs, beating well to incorporate one at a time. Add almost all of the eggs. Beat well until the dough is like a thick mayonnaise. Step 5. Spoon the dough into a pastry bag with a 1/2-inch nozzle and pipe out 3 to 4 inch long rectangles of dough onto a lightly greased sheet for the eclairs. The eclairs will rise at least double if not triple their size when
Step
baked.
6.
Make sure
Bake
you
in a
leave room for them to expand a little. Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes. Take out the eclairs, prick a hole in the bottom or sides and return to oven to dry out for 5 minutes more. They should be golden brown
Step
when
7.
done. To make the filling, begin by placing the egg yolks in a small heat-proof bowl and mixing with the sugar until light and creamy. Step 8. Add the flour and cornstarch and beat until smooth. Step 9. Bring the milk to a boil and then pour onto the egg combination and mix together. Step 10. Pour the whole mixture back into pan and bring to a boil, stirring constantly. It can scorch, so stir and make sure you don't boil it too high or with a thin bottom pan. Simmer 2 minutes, remove from heat. Step 11. Add the vanilla and cream, mix well and pour into a bowl. Lay a piece of plastic wrap on top to keep it from forming a skin. Let cool for at least 2 hours before using. Step 12. Melt the chocolate in a double boiler for glazing the top of the eclairs. Step 13. Take the cooled eclairs and cut off the very tops, scrape out any extra, wet doughy insides. Step 14. Mix together the whipped cream and the crème pâtissière and spoon into a pastry bag with a star tip. Step 15. Fill the eclairs with the cream. Take the eclair tops and lay in the melted chocolate to cover, then replace the tops on the eclairs. Try adding strawberries or raspberries for a different variation. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.